In today's video, let us look at how dry ginger can be used to treat 8 different health problems at home. Dry ginger, also called Sonth in Hindi, is a natural stimulant that improves appetite, digestion and relieves flatulence, that is gas. It also removes belching, relieves burning sensation in the chest, cures cough, loose motion, dyspepsia, pinprick in ears, anemia, etc. Without any delay, let's move on to the remedies using this kitchen medicine. Do you have toothache due to colds or chills? Then the first remedy is just right for you. Simply apply some dry ginger powder on the aching spot and the ache should vanish in a while. Remedy 2. For appetite. Take a pinch of dry ginger powder using 3 fingers. Mix it in 170 ml or 3/4 cup of raw cow milk and drink it. This will improve your appetite and boost digestion while also aiding weight loss. Remedy 3. As a ear plug. Plug a small piece of dry ginger in the ear for some time to remove tiredness, phlegm and blockage in ears. Make sure to dust away the loose powder on the dry ginger beforehand as they may go into your ear and cause problems. Remedy 4. For aches and swellings. Rub a dry ginger on a wet stone slab to get it spaced. Apply this paste on the swollen joints to reduce the swelling due to rheumatism. You can also apply this on your forehead and temples to get rid of headache. Number 5. For stomach burn. Eat a small pinch of dry ginger powder with some honey or sugarcane juice. Do this twice a day to cure burning sensation in the stomach. This also relieves mild indigestion and improves metabolism. Remedy 6. For vada imbalance. Crush some dry ginger roughly using a mortar and pestle. Tie it inside a thin cloth to make it into a small potli and plug it in your ear for some time. Doing so cures blockage in ears and helps balance vada, that is wind dosha. Remedy 7. For stomach problems. Eat a pinch of dry ginger powder with some sour curd on an empty stomach in the morning and evening. This cures stomach problems like diarrhea due to excess body heat, flatulence, that is gas, noise in the stomach and other stomach problems. The last remedy cures endless hiccups. For this remedy, remove the skin from the dry ginger and wet it with some water. Apply table salt on it and place it in hot wood ashes for a few minutes. Then take it out and powder it finely. Store this powder in an airtight glass container. Eat a pinch of this powder with some honey to cure endless hiccups. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another helpful video.